Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I bought a DJI Mavic Air a couple of days ago. You can see the drone is right over there. As you can see, it's on the floor right now inside my house. And then I have my remote controller. My iPhone is attached to this controller in order to monitor the drone via DJI Go app. So what I'm trying to do is today I'm trying to fly this drone DJI Mavic Air inside my house to show you how stable this little machine can be. So without waiting, let's go ahead and start the machine. Should be able to start in a few seconds. Okay, yeah. So the propellers are on at the moment. I don't know if you can see that, but the propeller is on now, and I'm going to fly this for a few seconds inside my house just to show you how stable this machine is. It's up and running now. It's a very powerful machine which can travel at so I'm also going to rotate the thing right now. I bet you can see the drone flying, and you can see how stable the machine is. It's quite stable. I'm going to land it now. It's manufactured by a Chinese company called DJI, and I'm really surprised how much technology the Chinese have acquired, and this is the highest selling drone brand in the whole world right now, and it's also selling a lot of units in Japan. So the one I bought was the DJI Fly More combo, this one, and it cost me 129,000 Japanese yen in Tokyo. So yeah, and I highly recommend this product if you are starting now as an enthusiast. I would definitely recommend this drone. As you can see, you have the camera over here, has 4K capabilities, and yeah, these are the propellers, and the battery which can run for 22 minutes. Since I got the Fly More combo, I got 3 batteries with it, not just one, so I can fly about 1 hour without, if I can charge all of my 3 batteries completely. Yeah, so that's what I want to show. It's a really nice, stable drone, and I recommend this product to anyone who's willing to start flying drones. Thank you very much. I'm going to end this video now. Have a good day. Bye bye.